morning mga idol. Ito muna tayo. Isa lang. And I never thought I'd feel this way.
Wow naman!
And as far as
Wow.
I'm concerned,
Wow!
I'm glad I got the chance to say that I do believe I love you. And if I should ever go away, well then close your eyes and try to feel the way we do today. And then if you can remember, keep
Wow
smiling,
naman!
keep
Wow.
shining, knowing
Wow.
you can always count on me.